Directed energy weapons. Directed energy weapons such as high-powered lasers are transforming modern warfare by delivering pure energy to disable or destroy targets without bullets or explosives. These systems focus intense beams of electromagnetic energy to neutralize drones, missiles, and vehicles almost instantly, offering precision strikes with minimal collateral damage and effectively unlimited ammunition as long as power is available. The US military is heavily investing in DWs due to their rapid response, cost-effectiveness, and stealth advantages. Unlike conventional weapons, DWs operate at the speed of light, enabling near-instantaneous engagement of threats. High-energy lasers dominate this field, capable of melting or damaging critical components of aerial threats with pinpoint accuracy. High-power microwave weapons complement lasers by disrupting electronic systems over wide areas, useful against swarming drones. DWs are increasingly integrated into land, naval, and aerial platforms, offering scalable effects from non-lethal disruption to physical destruction. Their precision is especially valuable in urban warfare where minimizing collateral damage is critical. However, challenges remain, including high development costs, environmental factors like weather affecting laser performance, and power supply demands. Global defense budgets reflect this trend, with the directed energy weapons market expected to grow from about $12 billion in 2025 to nearly $28 billion by 2034, driven by rising geopolitical tensions and demand for advanced defense technologies. Countries like the US, Japan, Australia, India, and the UK are investing billions to develop and deploy these futuristic weapons, which promise a silent, rapid, and highly effective edge on the battlefield.